Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a non-disclosure agreement, an NDA. So this is basically a binding contract that requires all signing parties to keep specific information confidential. Now, there are many uses for actually having an NDA. This includes hiring an employee that has access to sensitive information, hiring an independent contractor or consultant that also gets that information. It could be if you're selling a business and you don't want the information to get leaked out, or it could be if you're brainstorming with someone about a new business or invention idea. Essentially, there are tons of business purposes for NDAs. And yeah, if you're dealing with sensitive information, this is extremely important to have one because it's going to protect your interests and it's going to prevent intellectual property theft. If you guys want to learn more about non-disclosure agreements, I recommend checking out the LawDepot website. I'm going to link that down below. There's a lot of really great information about NDAs, when they are applicable, what types of information you can keep confidential, as well as the different types of non-disclosure agreements. So I highly recommend giving that a read. But yeah, right now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create an NDA using LawDepot. The link is going to be down below. And if you click on that, it's going to take you to this exact page on their website. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to search up NDA. Then I'll bring this up right here. And I want to preface by saying that LawDepot does cost money, but they actually do have a free 1-week trial, meaning you can sign up for that trial, get all these forms for free, and then cancel if you'd like. They also have a really good deal for a 1-year subscription. If you have a business and you're going to be doing forms like this constantly, then I recommend just signing up for that. I think it's about $9 per month for a year. So now that we have this non-disclosure agreement pulled up, it's going to ask what is the relationship between the parties. So employer to employee, client to contractor, seller to buyer, inventor to evaluator, or other. Let's say we are doing an employer to employee contract. We'll select save and continue. It's going to ask what information needs protection. So you can choose all confidential information, or you can actually specify certain information. Just for this video, I'll select all confidential information and I'll click save and continue. After that, it's going to ask you for the location. I'm in California, so I'll select California, but you guys can choose accordingly. After that, it's going to ask you about the employer details, right? So this might be a little bit different depending on which type of NDA you're creating. But if you're doing an employer to employee agreement, this is exactly what it's going to look like. I'll enter in the company name, the address, save and continue. We'll enter in the employee name. Let's say assistant, address, save and continue. For the non-solicit clause, it's going to say, will this agreement prevent the employee from hiring the employer's staff? For most of you guys, you'll probably want this to be yes. You'll select the non-solicit period. 6 months is pretty standard. Save and continue. We'll select the duration for this NDA. We'll select indefinitely for this one. It's going to ask if you want any additional clauses. So if there are any, you can actually click yes. You guys can write out those clauses using complete sentences here, and you can add more if you want. For now, I'll just click no and click save and continue. When will the parties sign this NDA? We'll select unsure for now. Will these signatures be witnessed? You guys can select yes or no, up to you guys. But yeah, most people recommend having it witnessed, but that's not a requirement for most documents to be legally valid. After that, it's going to show me the NDA that was created. I can go through here, make sure everything looks okay. If there's anything that needs to be changed, I can actually go back and edit those things. If you want to change the name of the agreement, we can click on this and change that. And yeah, after that, you'll click select a license. And like I said earlier, there's the trial subscription if you want to just get 1 week access to as many forms and contracts as you want. Or you guys can just go with the 1-year pro subscription. It's $9 a month, and it's going to allow you to create and print as many documents as you need. So yeah, again, link to LawDepot is going to be down below in the description. So that is basically how you create a very affordable non-disclosure agreement. Of course, there are tons and tons of different use cases for an NDA, so I recommend doing a bit more due diligence. And you can always consult with a lawyer if you want more information. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and tutorials helping you to start up your business. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.